Welcome to Emmanuel Maths Academy. So today we have another problem on the board. So given this equation, we want to check if this is a solution of differential equation. And what do we mean by that? We want to know if after getting our y prime, the first derivative of y, this is our y here, the second derivative of y, and substituting it into this equation, whether we'll get 0, right? So you get your first derivative, second derivative, then you plug them in. Alright, and you simplify to know if you get 0. Once you get 0, then that means it's a system of equation. Or if you have a different example, a different problem, whereby here is not 0, but here is maybe a number, or given anything given here should be equal to this place, right? So it means that anything you have in the left hand side should be the same with what you have in the right hand side, right? Now let's get to the solving. So this is our y. Our y is y equal to x exponential minus 2x. Right? So y prime is what? dy dx is what? This is a chain rule. This is a chain rule, right? And this is a product rule. So we solve using product rule. And we also use a shortcut of the chain rule. As simple as that. Now, you keep differentiate v with respect to x. You keep the first one, differentiate this with respect to x. You have minus 2 exponential minus 2x, right? Plus, you keep this second one and differentiate this with respect to x. You have 1. They will simplify. If we simplify, we have this is equal to minus 2x exponential minus 2x plus exponential minus 2x. So this is your y prime, right? So we'll find the second derivative. The second derivative is y prime prime, which is equal to, now you use product rule to differentiate this again, right? And also differentiate this to get your y prime prime, the second derivative. If you do that, you have what? Keep this first one, differentiate this. Then you keep the second one, differentiate this. But first of all, let's keep this as a constant. Let's keep this minus 2 outside and open up this bracket. So if we keep x, differentiate what we have inside, what we have here. We have minus 2 exponential minus 2x plus, you keep this minus 2x, differentiate x, you get 1, right? Plus, you differentiate this, you have minus 2 exponential minus 2x, right? So we simplify further to get what? This is equal to, don't worry, let's continue it here. If we distribute using this minus 2 here, you have what? Minus times minus will give you plus. So we have, 2 times 2 will give you 4. You have 4x exponential minus 2x. Please, you have to pay attention to this minus, or this minus sign and plus, so that you don't make a mistake, right? Let's just hope we don't have any mix-up in the signs here. So the next one is, use this to distribute this. You have minus 2 exponential minus 2x, right? Minus 2 exponential minus 2x, right? So what do we have here? We can simplify this further to get what? This can be equal to 4x exponential minus 2x. But since we have minus 2 exponential minus 2x here, and we have the same thing here, you bring them together, it will be the same as minus 4 exponential minus 2x, right? Yeah, that's correct. Now we have our y, we have our y prime, which is our first derivative, we have our y prime prime, which is our second derivative. So what do we do now? We plug this in this equation, right? Now, from this equation, we have that y prime prime plus 4y prime plus 4y is equal to, what's our y prime prime? Y prime prime is this, 4x exponential minus 2x minus 4 exponential minus 2x, right? Plus 4, we have 4 prime, right? So what's our y prime? Our y prime is this, minus 2x exponential minus 2x plus exponential minus 2x, right? Plus 4 again, and our y, we have our y. You have our y. Our y is what? Our y is this. Our y is x exponential minus 2x equal to 0. So we simplify further. We write this out and we use 4 here to distribute into this parenthesis here. When I say distribute, I mean using 4 to open up this bracket, right? So any language you understand, just use this 4 to open up this. 4 times what you have in the first one, 4 times what you have in the second one, right? Let's do that. We have 4x exponential minus 2x minus 4 exponential minus 2x minus 8x exponential minus 2x plus 4 exponential minus 2x plus 4 exponential minus 2x equal to 0. Now let's look at this. We have 4x exponential minus 2x here, and we have 4x exponential minus 2x here. So it will give you 8 exponential minus 2x here, right? So this will cancel what? This 8 exponential minus 2x here. So this is gone. So what do we have next? You have minus 4 exponential minus 2x. We have plus 4 exponential minus 2x here. This will cancel this. So it's equal to 0. Hence, this is a solution of the differential equation, right? So you can say, hence, this is a solution of differential equation. As simple as that.